here for you. You guys are so awesome together. I mean, never seen John happier. Arijana, you make him so happy. So wish you nothing but a lifetime full of love and happiness.
So Arijana, first time I met you, I thought you were that ditz coming to work at my front desk. And the first time I met you, John, I thought you were high in your interview. Turns out I was very wrong on both accounts. And a million years later, here we are. And I couldn't be happier for you guys. And I can't think of a more perfect couple than the two of you. I love you guys both.
What an amazing evening. I'm still baffled about how someone like John, although he's cool and handsome, managed to get a lady as beautiful as Arijana. So that's a question I'll need an answer to soon. But best of luck to you, and wishing you all the love and happiness in the world.
You guys are an amazing couple. I'm so honored that we were part of your special night tonight. John, you are one of the best coworkers I've ever had. Arijana, thanks for letting him stay out on a few Fridays later than he should have. I know I probably got him in trouble a few times, but you're a really cool girl, and I'm glad we've gotten to become friends too. Your family is fantastic and really great to be part of tonight.
I knew before her, let's just put it that way, and I can't wait. About to see her in less than an hour.
It's gonna be awesome.
Who wants to buy this bride? Good. Have paid for the bride.
I don't see anything.
Oh yeah. What you got over
What do we got so far?
I don't know. Damages are worth way more than that. You want the Benjamins?
Let's add this in there.
I don't like that many buys.
20, 100, 20,
Nope.
60,
We need
70,
more.
80.
Oh, MasterCard. Hey, what's the limit? What's the limit? It's got to be at least 10 grand limit on there. She's expensive.
Look at them dollars.
Go see your
It's much better, but I need one more blue one.
Okay, one more blue one.
There you go. Big Subway card and we call it a deal.
Metro card.
There we go. That's it. It's all yours, Johnny. I've been bought. Brother.
So proud of you, man. You got married. Arijana, like, you got a great guy. So all the best of luck to you guys.
I just want to say congratulations. Thanks for having me here. Marriage isn't easy, but it's so worth it. You guys are beautiful together, and you guys will be amazing.
I love you both. Something from hiding my vows was to give the other room to be them, and you each do that. John, give Arijana room to be Arijana. Arijana, give John room to be John. You guys are good. I love you.
I am so happy for the two of you. Congratulations. I know there's going to be many more good times, and I am looking forward to all of the adventures together.
Congrats, Arijana and Johnny. I wish you the best as far as health, happiness. The best of the best of the best.
Best of the best.
That's it.
That's it. I love you guys.
We love you guys.
I have way too many memories to even start to list them all. I'm sure we could write a book if we really wanted to, and might get us in a little bit of trouble, but in the end we look back and man, we had a blast, and I wish the best to the two of you. You guys truly are perfect for each other.
I'm really happy for you guys. All the best wishes in the world. Like, you guys deserve it. So enjoy life.
Thank you for allowing us to share this special moment with you.
Congratulations, and I hope you guys have a beautiful life together. We love you guys.
The fact that I am here on a New York City rooftop celebrating your day just brings it absolutely full circle. I met you guys so many years ago. I've had so many great times with you guys, and I've never seen a love like it. I'm just happy to be here. I love you both, and I can't wait for many more memories to share with you guys. So, love you.
I just want to say, last thing, thank you, Arijana, for making John so happy. He's my best friend. I love him to death, and I love you for that. And I wish you nothing but the best going forward. I know you two are going to have such an awesome marriage, full of love and happiness. You guys are both so full of life and energy, and you love everything about life. Raise a glass if you still have it.
Even when the sun don't shine, even when the sun don't shine, give me your strength and show me your weakness.